Welcome to qnawire.
So over here with the following lab experiment, we want to determine what is going to be the molecular weight of sodium chloride experimentally. So in order to do so, first of all, let's write down the equation corresponding to the molar mass of this compound. And the molecular weight or molar mass would be equal to the Kf constant of water, the grams of solute that we're employing, divided by delta T of freezing as an absolute value, the depression of the freezing point, times the kilogram of solvent that we're using in this case. So for us, in order to get this result, what you need to do is essentially just find the delta T of freezing, because following the information given to us, what we're going to have is that the grams of NaCl of the solute is going to be equal to 1 gram, and the mass of kilograms of solvent would be equal to 10 grams, and we can convert these grams into kilograms. So 10 over 1000, which gives us 0.01 kilograms. So the value that you need to get in your experiment would be the delta T of freezing for your solution, and remember that the value for Kf of water is equal to 1.86 degrees Celsius times kilogram of solvent divided by mole of solute, which is the molality of the solution. So with this, the delta T of freezing is the only information that you need to get. In order to get the exact value, your delta T of freezing while you're doing your experiment should be in something close to 3.2 degrees Celsius or 3.18 to give the very, very exact value. Okay? So with this information, you can do the experiment. The only value that you're going to need in order to determine the molecular weight is delta T of freezing. Here you should plug in your experimental result. So when you do that, your equation would look like molecular weight is going to be equal to 1.86 degrees Celsius, kilogram solvent, mole solution of the solute times 1 gram of solute. In this case, the solute is NaCl, so let's write it down directly as NaCl, divided by delta T of freezing. Over here, you're going to plug it in as a positive value, not as a negative. Here, we're already taking care of the negative sign. And times 0.01 kilograms of solvent. So, as you can see, kilograms cancels out with kilograms of solvent. Degrees Celsius is going to cancel out with degrees Celsius on the delta T of freezing, and you're going to be able to get your answer just plugging in your experimental result for delta T of freezing. With that, it would be all. Thank you very much, and have a good one.